Unlocking the secrets of water science, essential insights revealed. Water, the essence of life, is more than just H2O. It's a miracle molecule, driving the very cycle of existence. Covering over 70% of Earth's surface, water shapes our planet's climate, influencing weather patterns and ecosystems globally. In its journey, water constantly cycles through evaporation, condensation, and precipitation, a vital process supporting all life forms. Water's unique properties, like its ability to dissolve substances, make it nature's perfect solvent, essential for biological and chemical processes. Yet, our water resources face threats from pollution, overuse, and climate change, endangering this precious element's availability for future generations. Understanding water science is crucial for sustainable management, ensuring we preserve this life-giving resource for the environment and humanity. Through conservation, technology, and education, we can tackle these challenges, securing water's role in nurturing life on Earth for eons to come.